Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. And write your comments in the comment box. Today we're talking about summer tips in your car. What all precautions and measures to be taken in summer? Number one, make sure whenever you're parking your car out, park it in a shade. If you're not getting a shade, park the car. But after the park the car will become like an oven. So what you should do is keep all the doors open and make sure you puff the car like this. So all the hot air in the car goes away very fast and it becomes cooler very fast. Then if you start the car, keep the only blower on. Once you keep the blower on, the hot air is gone out. Then after 1 minute or 2 minutes on the AC, then the car becomes cool and you will have the effect of coolness of the AC. These are the major precautions to be taken while you park the car, and as well as in summer, what precautions to be taken for getting your car cool faster. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.